American muscle can't match European precision. The 2026 Corvette Z06 is here to flip that idea on its head, with a flat plane crank V8 that sounds like it came straight from Le Mans. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting American sports cars in recent history, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. This isn't just a faster Stingray, it's a track-focused supercar built to rival the best from Ferrari and Porsche, without the six-figure markup. Design: the Z06 takes the C8 platform and cranks up the aggression. Wider fenders, a race-inspired front fascia, and available carbon fiber aero give it serious presence. It's functional too. Every vent and angle is designed for cooling, downforce, or both. Performance: under the hood, or technically behind the driver, sits a 5.5-litre naturally aspirated V8 that revs to 8,600 RPM and puts down 670 horsepower. It's the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever in a production car. With a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission and performance-tuned suspension, the Z06 is built to corner as hard as it launches. Features and tech: inside, it's a mix of fighter jet and luxury coupe. You'll find premium materials, aggressive bolstered seats, a fully digital driver display, and an 8-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Optional Z07 package: add carbon ceramic brakes, lighter wheels, and even more track-focused aero. Conclusion: the 2026 Corvette Z06 is proof that Chevy isn't just playing catch-up, they're setting the pace. It's raw, refined, and proudly American. If this supercar for the people has your attention, drop a comment below, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more straight-to-the-point car content. See you next time.